Okay, just a quick update for our van. We made a DIY awning and we want to show you how we made it. So let's start. This awning is made by tarps, poles, painting poles, and some straps and ropes. I bought this one from the hardware. It extends from 6 feet to 12 feet. Same as one that's right here. We have 3 poles, 1, 2 there, and 1 here. They are all the same. That extends from 6 feet to 12 feet. So what happens here? This is twist lock, so if you twist it locks, and if you twist another side it will unlock and it will go shorter to 6 feet. This part here we put straps, some velcro straps, each holes, one here and one here, the last one. So that's it. This one we put clamps and strings here. You can use also strings straight from here or not use these clamps. You can use pegs, but you can also tie it anywhere to the trees or to the stones. Just to make it easier, we use pegs. The hardest part here in our DIY awning is this pouch. It's made of synthetic leather. I bought 1 yard of the synthetic leather and cut it into half. Put a zipper on it and tie it. So as you can see, it's a pouch. It's easy to set up. It will only take you 2 minutes to set up and 2 minutes to put it back. And it's not heavy. It's made of aluminum, tarps, light materials. Last night it rained and it looks okay. Did not go down. That's our quick video, quick update for our van. Subscribe, like, and if you have questions, we are willing to answer your questions. Bye!